Is AI going to replace engineers, or is it going to make them unstoppable? That's the big question. And today we're delving into 4 powerful views from Meta, from Lovable, from Surge, and from GitHub, from 4 of the leading tech CEOs, to understand how AI is reshaping engineering. Let's start with Andrew Bosworth, CTO of Meta. He's blunt. He says AI won't kill engineering jobs, but it will create 2 classes of engineers. On one side, the premium class, engineers who master AI tools. They'll command higher pay, more influence, and lead the charge. On the other side, there will be engineers who don't adapt. They'll be stuck with repetitive work like debugging, data labeling, or maintaining legacy systems. Bosworth imagines a future where just a handful of engineers can build products serving billions of users. His message is crystal clear. AI is leverage. If you don't use it, you will be left behind. Now let's shift to Anton Osika, CEO of Lovable, one of our favorite tools. On the 20 VC podcast, he explained how Lovable lets you build production-ready apps in minutes, straight from natural language prompts. And this isn't theory. Lovable went to zero to about $120 million in annual recurring revenue in just 7 months. Wow.
For the junior engineers, 1X engineers, they often are bad at something, right? If the AI can bridge that gap, it takes them from 0 to 1, and to be able to do something they were not able to do before, it's like a 10x, they go to 10x or even more. So if that's the case, then they definitely go, then it's more valuable for them. If it's a 10x engineer that is working on something where you need a lot of many years of experience to work on a system that a new junior engineer completely doesn't understand, the 1x engineer doesn't understand the system, then the 1x engineer is useless. So no AI is going to increase their velocity, while the 10x engineer is going to maybe go to 100x engineer.
What he said, normal developers using it are going from normal productivity to 10x. Great developers are going to 100x. These are the stars. Osika's point is powerful. AI just doesn't speed up coding. It redefines who gets to build and how fast they can scale. Edwin Chen, CEO of Surge, pushes this idea further. He talks about AI creating super engineers. The old legend of the 10x engineer, that's what's being rewritten. With AI, one person can now do the work of dozens. And for Chen, this isn't just about efficiency. It's about survival. In lean startups without big VC backing, if you can't harness AI to multiply output, you simply can't survive. And now there's GitHub's Thomas Dohmke. He adds one more critical point. He says the future isn't really about eliminating developers, it's about scaling them. At GitHub, AI co-pilots are helping developers write, test, and ship code faster than ever before. Dohmke's vision is that AI won't replace engineers. It will make every engineer far more powerful. One engineer amplified. So, what does this all mean? There is a new divide. Who wins? Engineers who treat AI as a co-pilot, builders who prove skills with outcomes, not just degrees, people who just don't copy, orchestrators who connect humans, AIs, and systems, not just write boilerplate code. Who falls behind? Engineers stuck in repetitive work, engineers that just copy, those banking only on their degrees, and anyone who dismisses AI as just another tool instead of a force multiplier it really is. And this shift is already creating brand new roles. We see a lot of jobs on the job boards today: ML operation engineers, AI product managers, AI safety engineers, AI ops specialists. There are lots of emerging roles. This is a niche, but it's growing fast. prompt engineers and flow designers, responsible AI leads, and cognitive UI UX designers. And roles that are being forecast coming soon: AI integrated engineers, AI orchestration engineers, and AI literacy trainers. These are the jobs that are going to be hot in the AI era. Roles that didn't even exist 5 years ago, not even 2 years ago, but will define the next 20. So here's the reality. Bosworth warns of a two-class system. Osika shows how AI makes a normal engineer 10x or great engineers 100x. Chen says AI is about survival in lean environments. And Dohmke believes AI won't replace developers, it will scale them. So what's the final take? AI won't kill engineering, it will kill average and repetitive engineering. The real question is, are you going to stay at 1x, move to 10x, or unlock 100x? It's your move.